Hey guys, so someone just asked me a question. I get this question all the time, is how do you stay motivated? Why do you get up and do what you do? And I think it's a very simple fact. It always comes down to perspective. I want to give you guys a little insight of how grateful I am to just even be alive today. And I think that's what drives my excitement and passion to get up every single day and do what we do. Right? And a lot of people lose that sense of gratitude just to even be here. I think sometimes in life we get these reminders that come in randomly and give you insight of to why you're doing what you're doing. So for me, someone very close in my life just recently found out that they lost their mother unexpectedly. Right? We were all at a game, we were having a good time, and then he got a phone call from his family, and out of nowhere, she wasn't sick, nothing, she passed away. And so that little glimpse of reaction and his entire world changing in a matter of minutes reminded me of how grateful I am to get up every single day and do what we do. And I think we get so wrapped up in the world around us that we forget the gratitude of being here and living in the moment and how amazing that piece is. So when people ask me, like, how do you get up? Why do you get up at 4:30 in the morning or 5 o'clock in the morning and get up and pursue and get after what you're trying to do? My thought is, I'm so fucking happy to just be alive and wake up that why would I waste any of those moments? Why would I waste any opportunity to get up and do what I do? And I think that truly is what holds people back in life when they get wrapped up in this negative mindset of, oh shit, I need to go to work on Monday. It sucks. Like I got to spend time with my colleagues and my boss is going to give me crap today. It's like, why don't, instead of looking at it that way, you completely change your perspective and shift your mindset and say, I am grateful to even have the opportunity to go to a job. Because there are people out there that don't have that opportunity. There are people out there that didn't wake up today, and you did. You're sitting here watching this video, and you have an opportunity to completely and radically change and shift your perspective that can ultimately affect your entire life. And so I'm challenging you to do that. I think it's one of the most powerful pieces for anyone to take in and utilize to radically change their life, radically shift their perspective, and I promise you, it'll make the world of a difference. So start and come from a place of gratitude and understand that you woke up today and someone else didn't, and your complete mind, life, and perspective will change. Hope that helps some of you. Appreciate you. Love y'all.